Once again, I welcome you on my channel Learning Maths, and in today's video we are going to discuss exercise 8.3 from your Maths NCERT class 10th. So in this chapter we are going to discuss trigonometric ratio of the complementary angles. So let us see what is this, and before starting the video, it's my request, please watch the video till end so that you should not have any doubt in this. So let us see what we are going to discuss. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Suppose you are given this triangle ABC, there is a 90 degree. Let angle A is equal to theta, B is 90 given, and then C will be 90 minus theta. So in triangle ABC, if I need to find sine 90 minus theta, so you know very well the side opposite to concerned angle is all the time perpendicular. So sine 90 minus theta is equals to AB upon AC. But from the side of angle A, from the theta, we have this is the base and this will be hypotenuse, so this will be cos theta. So sine 90 minus theta will come cos theta. So this is first, and second, similarly we can write cos 90 minus theta is equals to sine theta, tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equals to sec theta. Likewise, you can just keep them learn, and we will use these formulas only in the exercise. Let us do some questions with the use of these formulas only. So this is quite simple for you. Let us see how to do the questions. Exercise 8.3, question number 1, evaluate. First part, it is sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. This is very simple. You know very well, 18 plus 72 will be 90 degree. That means these are the complementary angle. So you can write solution, sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree is equals to. This is quite simple. What we need to do, या तो ये चेंज करेंगे या ये चेंज करेंगे. We need to change any one. Either 72 will be written 90 minus 18 or 18 will be written 90 minus 72. So I can write this sine 18 degree upon cos 90 degree minus 18 degree. You know 90 minus 18 will be 72, but cos 90 minus theta is equals to sine theta. Therefore we can come here, sine 18 degree upon this cos 90 minus theta will be sine theta, or in place of theta we have 18, so this will be sine 18 degree, and this comes to, this will get cancelled, so it comes to 1. So this is your answer. तो बहुत ही आसान सा क्वेश्चन है. So now our next question is question number 2, exercise 8.3, first part. Show that tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree is equals to 1. They all are in multiplication. We need to prove that this is 1. Question is quite simple. First we need to find कि किन दो को प्लस करने पे 90 डिग्री आता है. So 48, this 48 and this 42 will give you 90 degree, and this 23 and 67 will give you 90 degree. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों में से किसी एक में फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे और इन दोनों में से भी किसी एक में फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. So let us see, tan 48 degree into, I can write this tan 90 degree minus 67 degree, because 23 will be 90 minus 67, multiply tan, this 42 will be 90 minus 48, 90 degree minus 48 degree, and this 67 as it is into tan 67. So let us see what comes. Tan 48 as it is, tan 48, and this tan 90 minus cot, so it will be cot 67 into tan 90 minus theta cot theta, it will be cot 48 degree into tan 67 degree. Now you can just see the things. If this cot will be written near this, हम change कर लेते हैं. So tan 48 degree into cot 48 degree into cot 67 degree into tan 67 degree, but this cot is 1 upon tan, so tan 48 degree into 1 upon tan 48, because this cot will be 1 upon tan into this will be 1 upon tan 67 degree into tan 67 degree. Now this will get cancelled, 1, this will get cancelled, into 1 is equals to 1 will be your answer. So this is also very simple solution. Hope this is clear to you. Let us move to one more question. So our next question is question number 5, exercise 23. If sec 4a is equals to cosec a minus 20, find the value of a, where 4a is acute angle they have given. So the question is quite simple. One is sec, another is cosec, so we need to make them same. So the thing is, we have sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta. Therefore, sec 4a is equals to cosec 90 degree minus 4a. Now, sec 4a is equals to cosec a minus 20. This is already given. Therefore, in place of this 4a, I need to write this cosec 90 minus 4a is equals to cosec a minus 20. Now we can see this is also cosec, this is also cosec equal. So comparing angles, we need to comparing angles. You write comparing angles. We have 90 minus 4a is equals to a minus 20. We'll take a to a side and 20 to this side. Therefore, 90 plus 20 is equals to 5a, or we can have 5a is equals to 110, or a is equals to 110 upon 5 is equals to 22 degree. Therefore, a will be 22 degree, or you can write it here. Therefore, a is equals to 22 degree will be your answer. Hope this is quite clear. आसान सा question था. Let us see one more. Question number 6 from exercise 8.3. The question is show that if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, so that sine B plus C upon 2 is equals to cos A by 2. So we have solution. We have A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property. The sum of three angle a triangle is 180 degree. Now you can see A plus B is equals to, or B plus C, or B plus C is equals to 180 degree minus A. This A comes this way. Now dividing both sides by 2, or B plus C upon 2 is equals to 180 degree minus A upon 2. So this B plus C upon 2, 90 degree minus A by 2. Now taking sine both side, because we need to find sine. Sine both side. We have sine B plus C upon 2 is equals to sine 90 minus A upon 2. But you know sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sine B plus C upon 2 is equals to cos A upon 2, because you know sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos 2. So this is our proof. So this is quite simple. So in today's video we will discuss this much only. Hope you got the solutions very well. If you like the video, please press like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video with few more questions.